Hey guys, what's up? So companies are trying really hard to get rid of the notch or punch hole cameras, but none have been truly able to achieve it with all the features necessary for a flagship device. OnePlus and some other manufacturers tried experimenting with the pop-up selfie camera, and it kind of solves the problem of achieving a notchless display, but at the cost of losing other features like water and dust resistance. Because for a pop-up camera to work, you need to drill a hole into the body of the phone, and it later becomes a problem to seal it up. But some companies have been trying to achieve an under-display camera technology. What this means is that the front-facing camera sits under the display, and only when you fire it up, it becomes visible and you can use it like any other selfie camera out there. Samsung is one such manufacturer that has been trying to achieve this, and we first heard about it before the Galaxy S10 launch, and it was speculated that Samsung might use it in the Galaxy S10 series, but we all know how that went. So now we have IS Universe, who is saying that Samsung is considering using this technology on the S21 and is evaluating the feasibility of the technology. What this means is that Samsung is testing the under-display camera technology if it is ready to use in its flagship for 2021, the Galaxy S21. Samsung's flagships are sold across the world and have a huge fan following, so it is really important for Samsung that it should be perfect before they can use it on their mainstream flagship phone. So this is really exciting news, and if Samsung can achieve it, then it's going to blow the competition away. Apart from this, we also know that Samsung and Google are working together on a new Exynos chip that could launch as early as this year. Apparently, Samsung will use its 5nm LPE process to manufacture this chip and have the latest ARM Cortex CPU cores. The chip will likely have two powerful Cortex A78 cores, two Cortex A76 cores, and four high-efficiency A55 cores. It is also supposed to use the yet unannounced Mali MP20 GPU. But what's really exciting is that Google has removed Samsung's ISP in favor of its own visual core ISP and NPU. If you know, Google Pixel phones also use this very ISP to produce the best images captured from a smartphone. So does this mean that we will see the same ISP on future Galaxy devices? We can't be sure for now, but I just hope that it happens. That would be awesome. We also know that Samsung is working with AMD for GPU, and we might see it in the Galaxy S21 as well, at least in markets that get Exynos processors. I know it's not the best of times for Exynos processors, but I think Samsung will come stronger in 2021. That's it for this video. Do let us know, what do you feel about Google using Exynos processors? Are you happy or still pissed that Samsung decided to use the Exynos 990 in the Galaxy S20 despite the obvious performance disparity? Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.